Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing an electric toothbrush from BlueReeze, the M10 model to be exact, M10 Pro. Let's get to it. Now before I start the unboxing process, which I like to do on these, I'm going to show you guys some quick images on the screen from the BlueReeze Amazon store. I think they give you a pretty good summarization of what the toothbrush is about. They do a pretty good job on these. I like to put that up so you guys have an idea. Some folks like to have a quick review, find out what the product is about, and just go get it. Or they just window shopping. So I figured I'd put those for everybody who wants to just find out what it is about. But for those of you who want to find out what this is really about and what it looks like and what it does, up next comes up the unboxing. Let's get to that. All right, so here we have the box itself. Let me go ahead and open it up and see what we got going on. Let's take a look. All right, got that. Put that to the side. There we go. And here it is. That's just quite nice. Very nice indeed, actually. I like the box. So it's about 4 hours of charging time. It gives you 30 days of use, 5 cleaning modes, 10 brushes. That's pretty good. I actually have the opportunity to try their previous model, the M8 Pro. It's almost the same, but this one has 10 brushes. That's even longer. Nicely priced too. I think it's like $32, $34 this one goes for. Let's go and open it up. There we go. Very nice and professional. I like that. This must be the manual. Yes, it is. Put it to the side. This must be the carrying case, and I believe it must be inside. Let's see. Feels heavy, so it's got to be inside. I'm sure of it. Put everything to the side. Let's go ahead and open this up. It opens like this, it's like a some glass case or sunglass case. All right, so this must be. Oh, don't turn on. It makes a little weird noise. That's nice. All right, so this is the brush itself. Get it out of there. It's well packaged, I'll tell you that much. So this is it. So it's got 5 modes. Let's see what we got. We have clean, whitening, soft, massage, and polish. That's interesting. Let's see what it sounds like. That's the normal sound. This is the whitening one. That's the sound it makes. I don't know if you guys can hear it. That's the soft one. It goes. That is interesting. Then we gotta try the polish. The polish must be a very, very, very quick range of RPMs, probably the full 40,000. It is pulsating. I'm touching it right now. It goes doot, 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 doot. Interesting. That must be the polished part. All right, let's put it to the side. Let's see what else we got going on here. These must be the brushes. There's a lot of them. There's like 10. All right, put it to the side here. Is there anything else on the case? So the carrying case allows you to carry 2 with you. That's nice for traveling. That's pretty cool. And these, these are the rest of the heads. Yeah, here they are. I'm gonna go ahead and open one. You guys can see what it looks like. Go ahead and open one. So this is what the head looks like. Let me go ahead and put it in. I believe, yep. See, you see the shape of the end? Has that shape and it goes inside like so. It's like blocks. There you go, see? It fits right in. Let me turn it on. Nice. That is really cool. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna do what I like to call the cliche water test. I'm gonna let you guys see how it vibrates in the water in each mode. I think it gives you a nice visual what it's about. And then I go to the restroom and try it out myself. Okay, what's this? Oh, we got more. I'm not entirely sure of what this is about. Duh. Oh gosh. You know what? I'm a little bit slow sometimes, guys. Sorry about that. That is for the brush head. That's very nice. The M8 doesn't have that. That's pretty cool. All right, let's get to the water test. Okay, everybody, are you guys ready for the cliche water test? Here we go. I'm gonna put it on clean. There we go. Look at the waters. It pulsates. That's pretty interesting. Let's see what the whitening one does. No, my apologies. I was on polish. The one I was in right now, that was polish. Okay. Let me try clean. Clean seems to be a steady vibration. That is pretty cool. This is the whitening one. It appears to be pulsating far less. I'm assuming that it's putting more pressure into the teeth instead of just cleaning it. That's pretty cool. This is soft. It barely vibrates. That is if you happen to have sensitive gums and things of that nature. I think that will be best for you. And here we got massage. This is gonna be interesting. That is pretty cool. And of course, polish. I just showed you guys that beginning. I thought it was the first one. This one is quite interesting. Pulsates a lot. Excellent. So now that we got that, I'm gonna go to the restroom and show you guys what it's all about. Get my teeth all dirty. Okay, everybody, I got with me right here their previous model, the M8. Just do a quick comparison, and their M10. And this reminds me of this cool meme that I saw online where it shows. I'll show you guys right now. It shows the girl on one side with the funky looking hair, and the other one's very serious. That's basically what it is. The M8 is more fun looking. It's, you know. And this one takes itself a little bit more seriously. Superman, Batman. I'm not sure if that reference actually will work out in this case, but yeah, let me go ahead and put that out. Now, in order for me to show you guys a good visual of, you know, how well it cleans, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab an Oreo cookie, which is a perfect way to dirty my teeth. Give you guys a perfect example how well this works. I love this job. I'll get to make YouTube videos and eat cookies. Alright, so let's go and get it wet. Now, this is IP7 protected, so you can take showers with it, you can make it quick, get it wet. It works just fine. That is cool. Now for this review, I'm gonna yeah, do that dirty. I'm gonna just do the standard clean one and brush my teeth with it and see how it goes. I'm gonna fast forward this, okay? All right, so that is done. I figured that using Oreo cookies will give you guys a pretty good visual. And right now my mouth tastes like Thin Mints. It really does. It tastes like Thin Mints, which I like. It's one of my favorite cookies ever. All right, so now let's go to the table and give you guys my final thoughts. Well, everybody, in conclusion, I have to say that the brush did a pretty good job. And considering that they actually went from this one, which is already a good brush, into that by improving it, they gave it a little cap on top. And I felt that it had a stronger motor when I was actually brushing on my mouth with it. It felt a lot stronger, like it was really grabbing into my teeth and removing all those cookie crumbs that I already had. I think it did a pretty decent job, and it's nicely priced. And with 10 little heads that comes with it, it will last you over 3 years easily. I mean, that's pretty amazing. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative. Below in the description, I'm going to add links to both the M10 and the M8. And I'm going to put a link somewhere on the screen if you guys want to check out the M8. I did a review for that too. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.